tired and feeling alone, wrapped in a ball with a plug from the phone, lying in bed with a cigarette. All of the flowers have died in the vase. All that we are will remain in the past. It's unresolved, come to think of it. I'm stood by the bed, awake at night, watching the colours taking flight. They are sailing on a long forgotten wave. Oh yeah, yeah. This isn't how it used to be, when all your thoughts and forms were free. Now they seem so lost to me, and to these mysteries. Something to say to you, now you're gone. You had to go and say the worst, the cruel things that I fell in love, but never noticed all the things that you were. I'm still by the bed, awake at night, watching the colours taking flight. I hope you join them on that long forgotten wave. Oh yeah, yeah. This is the cruelest irony, that as you're dancing fancy free, the curse you've left is killing me. To hell your legacy.